Try this soup if you're in the postpartum stage, you just gave birth, you're seeing your period, you're having menstrual pain. It has a way of cleansing the womb. It is very medicinal. It helps with digestive system, whatever digestive issues you're having. Please try this soup. It helps a lot. Okay. In preparing this soup, I'm going to be using protein. You can use any protein of your choice, but here I have assorted meat. I'll steam it and keep it aside. I'll go ahead and mix, or rather dissolve the cocoyam powder, which is going to serve as my thickener. So you can actually dissolve it with oil, or you can use water to dissolve it. So I dissolve and I keep it aside. And also slice the Uziza leaf. You may want to slice it very tiny because it can be hard. I have the blended crayfish, and I also have the dry pepper, and again I have the Uziza seed itself, which is grinded, and ogiri. Okay, so inside my pot I've added enough water I want to use for the soup, and I'm going ahead right now with red oil. I'll add red oil to taste, allow it to cook, and now go ahead with the dissolved cocoyam powder. You wouldn't want to pour it direct because it's just going to form clots inside the pot and it will not thicken the soup. So now on a medium to high heat, I'm cooking my soup. I just added the Uziza seed and the grinded pepper. I'll allow it to cook, and I'll allow the thickening effect of the cocoyam to come up, allow it to thicken the soup before I now go ahead with the smoked fish and the crayfish. Before I added this, I've already cooked the soup for about 15 minutes. Now the soup is almost getting done. After adding the smoked fish and the crayfish, I'll also cook it more for another 5 minutes so that the taste of the fish and crayfish can get into the soup. Okay, so as well, also give it a stir. As you can see, the soup is becoming to thicken more. All right, now I'm going ahead with the Uziza leaf. Yes, the Uziza leaf is the last thing I'm going to add to the soup. You don't need it to be too thick. You don't need the leaf to be too much. Just use your discretion and know the quantity that will be enough. And after I've added the leaf, I'll cook it for another 3 minutes or 4 minutes, depending. But now I'm going to be cooking it on a low heat. I'll just cook it till the Uziza leaf is a bit soft. It can be hard sometimes. I'll just make it a bit soft but not overcook it. So now our soup is ready. This soup, I would want you to go and check the nutritional benefits of Uziza seed and Uziza leaf. This is the best soup for someone that is in the hormonal stage. You just gave birth, you're postpartum, you're having menstrual pain, you're seeing your period, you're having issues with digestion. Please try this soup. You will come back and thank me later. All right, guys. So let me go and enjoy my soup. I'm going to be enjoying it with fufu. Thank you for watching. Please follow my page, comment, like this video. Bye. Thank you.